Okay, the purpose of this video is for you to be able to discern between chemical and physical and change in property. Now, property is something that something can do or something that it is. Like all the butane in this lighter can ignite. So that's a property, and a change is when it actually does something to change its identity or change its state. So the propane can be burnt, and the propane is burning is a difference there. The propane can be burnt is a property of the propane, and the propane is burning is the change. Now, there are two types of properties. There are chemical properties and there's a physical property. And the way to discern between the chemical and physical is, does it stay the same identity before and after? And that'll tell you if it's a chemical or a physical. Now, chemical ones affect the identity. So in this case, the propane's ability to become something else is a chemical property. Whereas water's ability to evaporate it's going to take a little while to evaporate, but if I do this for a while, all that water is going to go away. It's going to evaporate. Now that's a physical property because water, when it evaporates, it turns into water vapor. It's still water, still H2O. Now, another physical property is the way something is, a description of what it is. So the fleece is black. The fleece is soft. The fleece can insulate. Those are all physical properties. Other chemical properties are things like ability to burn or ability to rot. My banana peel is going to rot. You can already see it happening. The brown is the oxidization of it and the decay. Those are all chemical properties. Now, the change is when these things take place. For example, as this is decaying, that's a chemical change. These paper clips, I don't know if you can see it, but they're kind of crusty and they're not shiny like a paper clip should be. That's because they've been tarnishing. That's a chemical change. Now, a physical change is one where I still have the same thing before and after. It's still physical substance, it's still the same substance before and after. When I bend a paper clip, that's a physical change. When I warm a paper clip, it's still a paper clip, it's just hot now. Therefore, that is a physical change. And that's the difference between chemical and physical.